Welcome to day 6 or lesson 6 of our SQL Made Simple series. Have you ever gone to the market with a budget in mind? Not too small, not too big, just the perfect range. That's exactly what SQL's Between does. It helps you find results that fall inside a sweet spot you define, whether it's prices, dates, or even names. Between can help you narrow things down with ease. In this lesson, we will learn how between works for numbers, how between works for date, why between for text needs a little extra care, and of course, we only use our SQL Made Simple database. Think of between like certain boundaries. I only want results between here and there. No more writing long and messy conditions like price greater or equal to 10 and price less or equal to 25. Instead, you get to write it clean and simple like price between 10 and 25. It works for numbers, dates, and even text. And we will see them all in action using our SQL Made Simple database. So let's head to our platform, which is our Express server, to practice. Okay, so our first problem of the day is suppose we want to find all product priced between 10 and 25. So I'm going to select copy paste from where. So I'm selecting all the fields from the product. So that's my product. Where, so you're looking at 10. So where the price, so let us first of all look at the table. So we have a price. Okay, good. So where the price between, and because you're dealing with numbers, we don't put commas around it. So between 10 and 25. Now let's run it, execute, and we get exactly what we bargained for. So that's how you use between when it comes to numbers. Now I'm going to copy this same code and we will make some changes to it. And this time around, we are selecting from the orders table. Okay, so orders. So let's see what's happening with our orders table. Execute. So we have order ID, person ID, order date, and order status. So what I want us to do is to select the order ID and the order status. Okay, so these are the two fields or two columns I want to select from the orders table. And I'm filtering using the order date. So order date between. So we are looking at 2025 0701 and 2025 0710. So if I run this, what do you think would happen? Think about it. Are we going to get a result or not? Let's find out. This is weird. So what is happening here? What did we forget to do? Because if it's a date, we need to bring our inverted commas around it, the apostrophes. Yeah? Now let's run it. Execute. Now we get what we defined. So you only ignore the apostrophes or the inverted commas when you are dealing with numbers. Okay, so at least we have that at the back of our minds. So keep that in mind. Okay, then let's look at the next set, which is the sneaky one, text. Let's see how that's also going to work. So we are selecting from our people. So I'm just going to change this people table. So now let's see what's in there. So we have Akosia, Kofi, ACL, and what? Kwame. So where the first name, so you're looking at the first name between A and K. So if it's between A and K, let's look at it. So A will definitely come and K. Okay. So between A and K. So let's see A and K. A and K. Now we're going to run it. And what are we required to get? Execute. Oops. So what is happening to our K? So this is the sneaky one because it's being arranged in alphabetical order. And we had K, that is Kwame. So let me run it again. Execute. Kwame, KW. So if you want Kwame to appear, just add a Z to it. Now let's run it. And there we have it. Kwame is included. And you see Kofi also comes along. If I remove the Z from it and run the code again, Kwame and Kofi will not be included. So with a text, you just need to find a way around it. So just to let you know, that's how it works and how to fix it with a Z trick. Okay, so let's switch back to the presentation, and I want to congratulate you for working on it. Well done, and keep practicing. So, workplace tip, between includes the starting and ending value. So it's inclusive, the order matters, the lower value comes first, and you need to use with care. So for precise ranges, especially with dates or time, sometimes using the greater equal and less equal give more control. So we don't want to use between. That's fine. And if you still want to boost your Excel and IT skills, I would recommend Certiport Microsoft Office Specialist Certification. You can go to my shop and get the vouchers. I'll meet you one on one, set it up for you, and help you through it. So between is like setting your perfect budget. It makes sure you get exactly what you are looking for without going too high or too low. Just remember, when it comes to text, give SQL a little nudge so it knows exactly where to start. Do well to subscribe and share and probably comment. Thank you.